Welcome to Faisal High Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch from this to this. So, in many data analysis projects, we are often required to convert characters and surround them by single quotes, separate them by commas, so we can use them in, let's say, an insert value into tables or something. Right. And if you do it manually, you can't do it manually. Usually, if you have like 1,000 or more than, large amounts of characters. So I'm going to show you a trick on how to do it using Google Sheets or Excel. Take these characters, put them here in a column. So we have 3 characters as an example, 3 words: dog, cat, and apple. And then I'm going to use equal sign and then the function concatenate, right? And then concatenate what? I'm going to open in the first string, it will be single quote. That's what I want on the left of my word, right? So the single quote should be surrounded by double quotes, right? So I can let the function know this is only string 1. Now what is string 2? It's in this case B7, which is the cell that contains the word dog. And the third string, it will be single quote and comma. A single quote to close the actual word, and then the comma to separate it, and then another single quote to end string 3 and close parentheses. So if I hit enter, it will give me what I want. However, if I expand to the other words, it will display dog for 3 of the cells, which is what I don't want. Oh no, actually it works. Usually if it doesn't work, you need to add a $sign here. But this is the function. It has string 1, string 2, string 3. String 1, it's a single quote. 2 will be the actual cell that contained the word. 3, it will be single quote and comma surrounded by double quotes, right? So the function recognizes actually the string. So I'm gonna copy that, paste it here so you can paste the function. This is your function. Concatenate, right? I'm gonna make it bigger. All right, and then once you do that, all you need to do is to copy and then go to your doc, and then when you paste, make sure to select paste without formatting, because if I paste with formatting, it will paste the value and the cell, which is what we don't want. Paste without formatting will give you this, and then you can use it in an insert or any other, insert value, and then you can insert these values in a table. So this is something that we deal with very frequently in data analysis and business intelligence projects. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a great night.